Why don't you cry, scream, shout, yell, belch? Behold your voice. Whether it's pride, popularity, prose, preservation, or perseverance, say it loud. Dream of the unrealistic. Hope for an adventure. Choose your passion. Find your happy place. Sing to the unknown. Sing to your soul. Yell without judgment. Forget the others. Be you. Say you. What you want, what you need, and only for you. Communicate in a way no one understands. Speak your heart, because no one knows your voice. Push aside fear. Let in hope. Talk like the world doesn't exist. Simply let it out. Scream. Shout. Belch. It's all you after all. 'Cause simply behold your voice. It's never far from a K9's howl.